I am officially starting my own hair business, and all that I'm going to be doing for you guys when it comes to making your hair for you to look this beautiful and more is all I'm going to be sharing on this video today. So if you want to know what I'm going to be doing and how we're going to be taking care of your beautiful hair and making you look even more beautiful, make sure that you watch this video to the very end. Hey beautiful Tovians, welcome back. It's your girl Tovia again, back again with another exciting video. If you're just in my beautiful face for the first time, you're welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, you are welcome. If you are here to subscribe, make sure you do subscribe right now, like this video, and do make sure you thumbs up the video and share it with all your friends. Without further ado, let's just get right into today's video. As you've heard from the intro, I am officially starting my own hair business, and that means I'm gonna be offering all types of hair for every one of you, and that goes from your braids to your wigs to your cornrows and to your waves and many more. So whatever hair you want to make, we are here for you. And when I say we, that means I'm not the only one that's going to be offering this service to you. So we are basically more than one person that is going to be taking care of your hairs. So if you live in the Glasgow area and you need to get your hair done, make sure that you reach out to us on Instagram. I'm going to put the name of the Instagram on the screen. Lest I forget, this is just one of the hairs. Yeah. See, this is beautiful. I know you're probably like, what wig did I use to make this hair? This was made from your straight extension. We actually used the extension to get this wavy coils. I know, it's amazing, it's beautiful. The amount of compliments I've gotten on this hair, it's just too much. It's just too much. Now let's get into the fact why I want to start my own hair business, because a lot of you might be like, why are you starting your own hair business? Basically guys, I have been making hair right from Nigeria. So while I was living in Nigeria, that was when I actually started making hair. That was when I learned it. I know everything about hairs. Okay, so when I moved to Italy, I started offering hair to my white friends, so basically Caucasian hairs, and also to my Afro family. So I was offering hair to every one of them back then. I was making it as a business. But when I moved to the UK, I kind of like stopped. Not that I stopped officially, but I kind of like took a break, and I was like, let me just take a break and focus on other parts of my life, focus on my studies, and just get my other businesses up and get my YouTube channel up. So for that reason, I wasn't making hair. I introduced you guys to some other person that I know in Glasgow that was making hair. So for now, I am officially back to making hair for you guys. I'm gonna pause right now and show you guys some transformation of how I actually transformed the short hairs Afro hair to looking all gorgeous on braids. And I'm also gonna show you guys the process of how we came about with this amazing, beautiful braids. I know, it's beautiful, it's given, it's given. Make sure you contact us on Instagram. Don't play or you're gonna learn. Ignore that. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys the process of how we're able to transform my natural hair to this beautiful braids that I'll be getting a lot of compliments on. And I'm also gonna show you guys how I actually changed the shortest Afro. Like, this hair is short, I was able to get it to beautiful braids. Like, I gave her the most beautiful braids. So if you want that, make sure that you watch the video. So I'm gonna wait now for you guys to see it. You guys see how short her hair is? Trust me, it was very short. I was able to make it look really good. You can see the different process of how the hair was changing. Yeah, trust me, I can do the same for you and even more. This again was also the process of the hair, as you can see, and this is the amazing result. Come on, stop playing. Look at this amazing result. No, let's just be honest. Are you not feeling it? Like, are you not feeling it? I believe you are feeling it. Look how beautiful this hair look. Look at it. Because I was able to transform just a short hair. Like, it's not even a 4C, because 4C should be longer than that. So can you see how this has been transformed to a beautiful looking girl? Like, we actually enhance our beauty by taking care of our hair. So everything health and safety is all there. It's all studied, just so you guys know. That's why we're studying in college and university, by the way. So yeah, anyway, if you want to get your braids all done by me or the other person, make sure you contact us on Instagram. I cannot wait to take care of you, to take care of your hair, and to make you look even more beautiful. I know you're already beautiful, but I'm going to make you look more beautiful. You're gonna look amazing when I'm done taking care of your hair. I cannot wait to take care of your hair, so make sure you contact us and we'll be able to make you look good. This is summer, so make it look good. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. I cannot wait to talk to you all and get your hair done, so I look forward to talking to everyone. Do have a lovely, amazing day. Bye.